In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your names, business name, group name on Sprout Social. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click to update your personal profile name, your organization's name, and the names of your groups, all without hunting through menus. I'll also share a few quick tips so your changes stick and show up the way you expect. Let's start with your personal profile name, the first and last name that appears in your Sprout account. Once you're logged in, look to the bottom left corner of Sprout for your avatar or initials. Click that, choose Account and Settings, and then select Settings. In the Settings area, open the Personal or Personal Settings section. This is where you'll see your name fields. Update your first and last name to exactly how you want them to appear and make sure to save. Saving is what actually applies the change. This update affects how your name appears to teammates inside Sprout, but it doesn't change your login email or the names on your social network profiles. Next, let's update your business or organization name, the label that represents your overall Sprout account. From the same place, bottom left avatar, account and settings, then settings, look for the account category within settings. You'll find a field for your business or organization name. Click into that field, type the new name, and save your changes. It's as simple as that. Keep in mind, you may need the appropriate account permissions to edit this. This change updates how your account is labeled within Sprout and for team members. It doesn't rename your Facebook page, Instagram account, or any external profiles. Finally, let's rename a group. In Sprout, groups are like folders that organize your social profiles by team, brand, or region. To rename one, open Settings the same way as before. Bottom left avatar, account and settings, then settings. Navigate to Groups and Social Profiles. Click the name of the group you want to change to open it. In the header of that group, look for the pencil icon next to the group name. Click the pencil, enter the new name, and click Save. If you don't see the pencil icon, you likely don't have the permission to rename groups, so you'll need someone with the right access to make the change. The rename is immediate and won't affect which profiles are in the group, only the label you and your team see. That's it. Update your personal name, your organization name, and your group names, and remember to save each change. If something doesn't appear right away, refresh your browser to confirm the update took effect.